Hello everyone, Max here, coming up for the next video. This time I would like to show you a supplier on the market called EastMallBuy. So first of all, we had a PandaBuy, but now it's no longer with us and we have other suppliers, and one of them is EastMallBuy. Let me show you real quick how it all looks like and how to purchase items on EastMallBuy. So this is how it all looks like for the first time when you log into the EastMallBuy with the link down in the description. Here, as you can see, you can put in any of the links that you want to buy some items from, and yeah, this is how it all works. So first of all, you have to become the member of EastMallBuy, and then you make your first payment, and then the product comes to the warehouse where the inspection and storage is made. And then once everything is okay and you like the products, you like the quality of the products, you can pay for the international shipment then to your house. So this is how it all looks like and works like. This UI is very simple. It all looks like this. Later on you have the QC pictures and everything, and then once you pay for the international parcel, this one will appear here, so you can also see whether it's shipped or not. In the wallet tab you also have the balance, of course, and then you can just recharge or withdraw the money, so that's just great. As you can see, you have a ton of different payment methods as PayPal, Ideal, Bank Contact, and many other ones. Even the Bleak and PayPal is there, so that's just great. As you can see, EastMallBuy also offers a lot of different coupons. 18 USD, 10 USD, 7 USD, 4 USD, so there's lots of coupons you can use and it's just great. So let's buy the first item. Let's put in this link, let's say. You can put any link you want to, it's so simple. Then the product loads, and as you can see, as for now, this is how it all looks like. It looks a little bit different, as you can see. This image here is just not very well aligned, but the website works, you can just purchase them, so that's just great. And the shipping times are also very nice. So with that said, let's just do the first order. I want to buy these shoes here, and in size 42. So let's click that you agree and let's add them to the cart. And now I would also want to buy these shoes in the size 39. Let's click on add to cart, and just like this we are totaling $163 US, because I also just marked other shoes as well. Okay, so let's do the payment. Let's go to the orders and let's do it. So as you can see, here are my items that I want to pay for, so let's select all of them and do combine payments. And yeah, are you sure you want to pay for the selected order? Yes, I am sure. So let it load now. And by the way guys, if you have this issue, just go to the settings and then the security settings and then set your payment password. I was trying to go through this but I couldn't, so that's why I'm telling you how to bypass this. I'm going to use the balance payment, so let's select this and let's put this password in here and let's confirm the payment. And just like this guys, the orders are already paid, so let's wait now till they arrive at the warehouse, and I will do another video me showing everything and how it all looks like, what's the QC pictures like and everything, so stay tuned. And yeah, again guys, you have the link down in the description to EastMallBuy to sign up there and yeah, try their services because they're pretty good. So that's pretty much it, a quick and easy tutorial how you can order the items on EastMallBuy. And yeah, now you can afford yourself some Travis Scotts you always dreamed of, or those AirPods Max you always dreamed of. So yeah, the link down in the description is there. See you in the next video, bye!